Hey guys, this is Sky495. So I'm actually on a work-related trip, so I'm staying at this Hampton Inn, so I decided to give you guys a quick little room tour slash facilities tour of the particular Hampton Inn that I'm staying in. So I'm making this video after my 2-week stay here, so I can give you guys my opinion and what I really like about it and what I didn't quite like about it. So let's just go ahead and enter my room first. First of all, it is Keycard Access, which is really nice. But for me, I have this little card holder on the back of my phone as part of my case, so it actually can work through the case as well, which is pretty nice. So this particular room is actually a 2 queen-size bedroom, and it is a non-smoking room, so they do have smoking specific rooms, but this one is not one of them. But every room comes with complimentary Wi-Fi access, and I was able to hook up 2 phones as well as my laptop to it with no problems, and I think the speed is perfectly adequate without paying the extra premium. And speaking of not paying more, they actually offer free breakfast, and this isn't just your typical continental breakfast. They have full-on waffles, cereals, oatmeal, fresh fruits like pineapple and grapes. Basically anything that you can expect from an American breakfast bar, it's there. Then for other amenities, they have a really tiny gym, which consists of basically just an elliptical and a treadmill right next to a really tiny pool. And because of that, they offer actually free complimentary guest pass to the Ghost Gym just right across the street. So that's really how I stayed fit during those 2 weeks. So that's the special perks of this particular hotel. Now let's go back to the room tour. So first off, let's talk about the bathroom, what they include. So you can see here they provide you quite a few of the standard stuff. For instance, they have a little makeup remover towel right here that they will supply you every day if you use it up. You have a shower cap, and then also something they call a Vanity Kit, which is basically just Q-tips and some cotton swabs. There's some paper drinking cups. And then here is the travel size stuff, so shampoo, conditioner, body wash, as well as lotion. They even have a bar of soap too, for both showering and also for your hand soap, which I already taken out and put it in the tray that they include. And then that little blue card on the back basically says that you can ask for other items free of charge. So I took advantage of their free toothpaste that they were giving out. It comes in these tiny little packets that you can get right at the front desk. And then here is the funny thing. Still in the bathroom here, but there's a coffee maker. So they provide a coffee maker with some packets of both regular coffee and also decaf, and they have packets of sugar too that they'll replace every time they come do some room service for you. So I just find it strange that it's located here. Maybe it's just because there's a lack of outlets, I don't know, but anyways, you'll find coffee here. And then on the wall is mounted the hair dryer that you can use, and then right here is the extra toilet roll, and we have 4 sets of towels and face cloths because it's for 4 people, and then there is the floor mat for the shower. Toilet's right there in pretty decent condition because they clean it every day. And then here is the shower itself. Has this very simple shower curtain and 2 places to hold your soap. It's pretty good condition, though you can see there's a little bit of paint chipping right there, but for the most part I think it's pretty good for a baseline hotel like this. The Hampton Inn is one of the lowest properties owned by Hilton. So moving out of the bathroom, you are greeted with a full-length closet door, which is actually a mirror. So that's pretty handy. There's no handle for some reason for you to open it. So at first I didn't even realize there was a closet here. But you got your typical stuff, coat hangers, ironing board, the iron itself, and also a pull-out tray holder as well. There's some extra bed sheets if you needed them. And each room is individually controlled. For this one, we actually have a wall-mounted thermostat that I have here. Though my first week when I stayed in this particular room, it actually was really damp, and it didn't get any better after I stayed it longer. So I think there's a little bit something wrong with the air circulation system for this particular room. But you can see the air conditioning fan is right there by the window, big box right there. And then in the corner, you have your mini fridge and also a microwave. Then on top there are some extra cups, and I think that's a disposable little trash bin. Not too sure, actually, I never used those before. But then on the opposite end is a desk built right into the corner of the wall. You can see there's a desk lamp with quite a few extra outlets. I got my work laptop setting up right there. And then at the corner of the desk they include a little, I guess, introduction packet to Hampton Inn. So there's basically a floor plan layout in there, and I guess a little bit other things that you can do around here. And then right next to that is the HD TV. But before I get to that, let's take a look at my window view. It's actually not particularly great because I'm on the first floor and I'm also right off the exit of a freeway. So opening up the shades, voila, I'm just facing a parking lot. And needless to say, since there's no tinting or anything, I'm going to be keeping the shades down while I'm staying here. And it also comes with dressers right underneath the TV stand, and then there's a chair right there and another chair, of course, for the desk. I did notice here for this little I don't know what to call this, a little bench with a dresser underneath, there's a little bit of dirtiness. I think they can't really get off. This is the material that's a little bit difficult to clean, so needless to say, I wouldn't bother touching that too much. Who knows how many people have touched it, sat on it, whatever. But again, here's a quick little 360 of the room. Right between the two queen size bed is a nightstand with the phone to call the front desk, also a radio, alarm clock. So that's everything in the room. Now let's talk about briefly the TV that they come included. So here's a little brief list of the channels they offer. It's pretty standard. You got your sports channels, your nature channels, cooking channels, news channels. So it's nothing too exciting, so I brought along my Roku streaming stick, and in another video that I'll be uploading real soon is how I actually set it up here in the hotel. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. And of course I'll be uploading my full Roku streaming stick review up soon. But that pretty much concludes my tour of the Hampton Inn that I stayed in. I give it a 4 out of 5 stars. I think it's pretty good, besides the fact of the weird dampness in my particular room. But the staff were friendly, and generally I think the room and the bathroom were kept pretty clean, so that's generally what I look for. So I definitely would give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I can try to get back to you in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.